Hi everyone, today I am doing a craft and make stuff video. Today I'm actually doing a recipe on Play-Doh. This Play-Doh, you do not need to cook it or put it in the oven or anything. It's nice and it's crunchy and soft. It's just really good. It's really basic. You'll find the ingredients in your kitchen, most probably. You may not find one of the ingredients in your kitchen. Not everyone has cream of tartar in their kitchen. But apart from that, this stuff is pretty basic and you should have everything here. So, let me just put this away. This Play-Doh should last you 6 months. It's really soft. This particular batch, I should have added a little more oil because it's not quite the right consistency, but this was the first time I made it, so it was a good test. Okay, so for this recipe you'll need a flour. I'm just using normal flour. This is just British plain flour. You also need oil, any kind really. I'm just using this fancy oil. Don't need much of it. This is olive oil as an example. It can be any kind of vegetable oil, sunflower oil. Coconut oil and baby oil will work as well, but I'd use these kind. You need salt. Here, huge bag of salt. You also would need some cream of tartar, which I mentioned before. You will need warm water. Yeah. Some people use boiling water, but warm water is fine. And you'll need food coloring. I think that's everything, isn't it? Yeah, and you also need your mixing tools, and you need another empty cup for measuring out stuff. Okay, so first of all, and a bowl, obviously. First of all, we will need 1 cup of flour, so let me just pour in. Oopsies. Okay, this is not working out the best. Oh well. Come on. Damn it, I'm pouring this thing everywhere. Jesus. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do it with a spoon instead. Okay. So you need 1 cup of flour. If you want to make twice as much, you just have to double the ingredients. Oh my god, my hands. Look at them. They're completely covered in flour. Okay, so you need 1 cup of flour. In you go. Then you need salt. So you can take 1/4 cup of salt. I wouldn't add that much though, because if you add too much salt, it will be too gritty and it's not nice. So instead, 1/4 cup of salt is actually 4 tablespoons. So on the safe side, I'm just taking 3. Like I did last time. I may even take only 2 for now. 2 or 3 is fine. 2 to 3 tablespoons. Don't take too much salt, as if you do, it will kind of ruin the texture, like I said before. 1 and 2. 2 is enough. Okay. There we go. You also need cream of tartar, which I think is 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. You can always add more if you want your thing to be more silky. Or the equivalent is 1, so it's 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. Okay? Yeah, so 1 tablespoon cream of tartar. Okay? Okay, now you gotta mix it all up. Mix. And now, this bit a lot of people get wrong, and so follow my stuff closely. You now have to add the oil into here. Not into the water, you add it into the bowl. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this fancy oil. Come on. Oh, the lid come off. Finally. Okay. So take 1 tablespoon of this. Okay, like so. And then you'll need to mix it all in. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Right, now we'll put the bowl aside and we gotta use this. And now you add your food coloring of choice. You can also add glycerine to this. It does help make it stretchy. But, or you can use food gel. Oh god, that's pretty. Food coloring that's gel. Whoa, I do not want to ruin this. It's so pretty. Oh well. Here goes nothing. Whoa, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like illuminated. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna just take it and pour a little bit into here. Don't add too much water. I know I said 1 cup of water, but if you overdo it, then seriously, the whole recipe will ruin. And you'll need to just add more flour and all that. So, there we go. Add a few teaspoons to begin with, and then just mix. You will see it starts coming together. Okay, so like here, part of it is already coming together. There's just not enough water here. Add some more. Ta-da. This recipe is basically, it's really good. It's better than like slime that's made of glue because it's technically, it's kind of toxic for the environment. You could even eat this if you wanted to. Although I do not recommend it because it's probably really disgusting. But yeah, you could eat this if you wanted to. If you replace the flour with icing sugar, this could be pretty tasty actually. But yeah, like I said, I wouldn't recommend eating it because it's probably disgusting. Plus it has a lot of salt in it. Who wants to eat loads of salt? Ew. Okay, I think we need a lot more water here right now. So I'm going to actually use my big spoon and collect some more of that water. Okay. Okay, that's more. Okay. Okay, that's some more. And as you can see, it is starting to come together. As soon as like you got it, this is the crucial part. You gotta knead it a lot, and then and if you don't want it to be sticky, knead it in flour. See, so it is kind of coming together. Okay, ta-da. Right. Okay, let's add some more of this. Ta-da. You just keep going until you've used up all of your flour, all of the salt, all of the flour, and the you will definitely not need this much water. You will not need a whole cup of water for this. You'll probably need a whole cup of water if you're using 2 cups of flour. It's double the ingredients of the rest, but as we're not doing that. This thing has too much flour. As you can see, we need to get more water in here, and then we can just don't pour the whole thing in, because that will be a bad mistake. Just add gradually water to the mix. Especially it would kind of ruin everything if you'd taken too much water into your cup originally and then you pour the whole thing in, wouldn't it? Just ruin everything. Right, this is a bit like bread that needs kneading, but it's also running out of water. Look how much flour there is here. It's not good enough. More water, please. Okay. Right. Okay, now I'm going to just mix up this some more. I might actually forget mixing now. I'll just remove the spoon off the side and knead it. Oops. Oh, okay. Knead it like this. It is kind of coming together, but it isn't perfect. Okay, my hands are all covered. I need more of this water. I may actually end up using the whole cup. Although this isn't really a whole cup. Like, the cup I used here isn't a full cup. See, it's not like really a big cup. So, You probably have to measure out. A cup is like a mug with a handle, so use that kind of measurement. Right, come on. You just gotta keep kneading this really, and eventually, as soon as you got enough water, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna add a bit more now. Just gonna keep going until, guess I'm gonna just risk it. Okay. Yeah, so just keep adding water and mixing, and this thing is super sticky now. So once it gets really sticky, you will just have to add flour. Yeah, so you get the idea. Just keep kneading in flour and until you've got the right texture for your paste. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this recipe works for you, or you just like the video in general, leave a like down below and tell me in the comments if you have any ideas and tips and things for new videos. Until next time, guys, bye!